Now let's move on to sensors. For this autumn launch, we are launching a mix of sensors and industrial interfaces for this WisBlock ecosystem. As we see the demand of the market, we extend our air quality sensors with two new products that will help you build a complete indoor air quality device. Our interface line will be getting two popular communication modules to help you with your projects. Indoor air quality monitoring is getting more and more important. We all try to reduce air pollution, and in some areas the air quality is not as good as it should be. That gives us the reason to act on it and improve it. The RAK12037 is using the Sensirion SCD30 sensor that can measure the CO2 concentration in the air. The CO2 sensors are an important part of indoor air quality devices. The SCD30 features dual channel detection for superior stability and ±30 ppm plus 3% of accuracy. It is commonly used in HVAC equipment, air purifiers, and smart home applications. The RAK12039 is using the Plantower PSMA003i particle matter sensor. They can detect the concentration of particles in the air with sizes of 1, 2.5, and 10 micrometers. The PM sensors are an important part of indoor air quality devices. Due to the size of the PM sensor, it is separated from the I/O module and connected through a flex PCB cable, which makes it easier to place inside an enclosure. Earthquakes can be dangerous and are often unpredictable. Seismic stations all around the world are measuring seismic activities. Based on the Omron D7S sensor, we designed the RAK12027, a compact seismic sensor for the WisBlock sensor slots. While this product cannot exactly predict when an earthquake will occur, it is a good solution to send warnings and protect sensitive machinery in case an earthquake happens. Besides measuring the strength, it generates a warning signal if the SI level is higher than 5 that can be used to shut down machinery. It also detects if the sensor horizontal position changes, which points towards a collapse of the structure where the sensor was deployed. Using the SI value, which has a high correlation with the magnitude of an earthquake, provides us higher precision judgment of seismic intensity scales. This seismic sensor has a shut-off output terminal that activates during a collapse detection and SI threshold surpasses. The RAK13801 is a precise location tracker module based on UWB, and it uses the Decawave DW1000 module. UWB stands for Ultra Wideband, which is a short-range communication method using frequencies between 3.1 and 10.67 GHz. It can reach ranges up to 50 meters and can be used to get a location precision of 10 centimeters. You can use multiple RAK13801 modules as an asset location tracking system for containers, packages, or even automatic driving vehicles. If you deploy 4 modules as anchors on static locations in a warehouse, you will be able to track the exact location of packages in real time. For industrial and agricultural applications, we add 2 new communication interfaces. The first one is the RAK13006, a CAN bus interface using the MCP2518 FD CAN controller and the ATA6563 CAN transceiver, but from Microchip. This is used in cars, trucks, building automation, and has a secure data transmission as it uses differential signals. The RAK13006 supports high-speed CAN up to 1 megabit per second, and for an easier wiring, the positive and negative lines are available in 2 ports of the screw terminal connector. This makes it simple to daisy chain multiple CAN bus devices. The second one is using the popular SDI12 interface. The RAK13010 is an SDI12 serial digital interface with a speed of 1200 bauds, and it uses a 3-wire connection. The bus is bidirectional and supports a system of 1 master and multiple slave devices. On the 4-pin fast connector, you can find not only the SDI signals, but as well the option to supply the SDI12 sensors from an external power source.